Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Webex to control a secondary device, so a desk phone device for example. Pretty straightforward to do. We're going to click on connect to a device within the app itself, so you can see up here on the top right. It'll list any of your shared call appearance devices here. If you've got a big long list you can search for one. In my case I've just got a couple assigned to me at the moment, or plugged in. I'm going to use my Yealink T54W, so we're going to click on that. You can see here a little picture of a phone and it says it's connected. I just hit disconnect if I just want to go back to using Webex in a normal way. What I'm now going to do is click on the phone icon on the left hand menu. It brings up my dial pad that you're probably very familiar with. I could choose someone in my list here, so my voice messaging, or I can dial the number. So I'm just going to dial the number and then we'll see by pressing the desk phone call button here. It picks up on the device itself and then it's automatically on that call. Now you can see I've got the call window here and I can use that to enter DTMF digits. So we'll put in a password. It won't be the right one, but as soon as I press hash, it tells me my password is incorrect, but it's connecting to the phone. It's sending the DTMF digits through the system as it should do. So I'm going to close that there. I can also do some other basic controls. I can just at the moment put the call on hold and then I can resume that call as well. I can then also end that call and we'll see that call was ended on the device itself. So the other thing about this that's quite good is if I make a call without Webex being open, I can make the call from the handset itself. I'll ring voicemail again. So when I press call, I'm on the call here. But if I now go back to my chat area, which is my communications area in Webex, you'll see that there's that call there active. If I want to be able to control the call now from the desktop, I can just click on the green button which brings up the active call. And you'll see there's that same call control window that we had a minute ago. So I've got the keypad again, or I can go into the hold controls there as well. If you want to start sharing as well to another person, if they're on Webex on the other end, you can click share here and share any of your windows if you want to as well. And there you go. That is alternate device control within the Webex application. Thanks very much.